Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Spotify payment fail in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad, you're trying to get Spotify Premium, but you're facing the issue that your payment has been failed. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can try to check your network connection, and you can also try to connect with a different network connection. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that. Once you have done, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also check your card details. You just have to make sure that the card you are using is not expired or has sufficient funds and the billing address matches to your bank records. Or you can also use your browser or a different device to get your Spotify Spotify Premium. You can also try to use your browser, or you can also try to use any other website to get your premium on your device. Once you have gotten the premium, you just have to log in with same account, and you'll get the premiums also. Or you can also try to check for your bank restrictions. Contact your bank to confirm that they're not blocking international or recurring transactions. Or you can also try to update your payment method. So now to do that, just open your app store here. Just have the profile option in the top right. Tap on your Apple ID. And here you must have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Once I've entered your Apple ID password, just have the sign in option. And here just wait for the loading. Now you just have to try to delete your payment method. Once I've deleted, just retry to add it again. Or you can add any other payment method if you have. Or you can also try to use any other payment method or any other credit or debit card to get Spotify Premium. But sometimes it might be a server issue. You can try to wait for almost a few hours to recover your server. Once your server has been recovered, you can retry to check and your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.